Hello everyone, and welcome to Gallabox Tutorials. Waving hand, are you looking for a way to track the performance of your WhatsApp templates and understand how they're resonating with your audience? Without proper analytics, it can be challenging to optimize your communication strategies and measure engagement effectively. Gallabox's message tracker feature is here to help. With this tool, you can monitor key metrics like message views, responses, URL click rates, and unsubscribe rates for specific WhatsApp templates. Let's see how to set up a message tracker and link it to your WhatsApp template for detailed analytics. To begin tracking analytics for a WhatsApp template, navigate to Settings in the left navigation. Choose Message Tracker when the second navigation opens up. Click on the plus Create Tracker button to set up a new tracker. Provide a descriptive name and description for the tracker, making it easier to identify its purpose later. Once done, click on Create. Once the tracker is created, the next step is linking it to the WhatsApp template you want to monitor. Navigate to Message Templates under Settings, select the template you wish to track. Click on three dots menu and select Configurations. Associate it with your newly created tracker by choosing from the drop-down. After linking the tracker, Gallabox will automatically start collecting analytics for that template. Click on the message tracker and you can see the logs for the WhatsApp template. You can view detailed stats such as the number of messages sent and delivered, customer views and responses, URL click rates if a URL is included in the template, unsubscribe rates for marketing messages. If needed, you can export these logs into an Excel sheet for further analysis by clicking on the Export option in the tracker interface. This allows you to organize and review data offline or share it with your team. And that's how you track analytics for a WhatsApp template using Gallabox's message tracker feature. By monitoring key metrics like views, clicks, and responses, you can refine your communication strategies and ensure better engagement with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gallabox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.